What's going on, guys? JC definitely back. Today's video, we're gonna open boxes so we can get the reward that we need. Okay, I guess we did get it. Alright. We're just gonna do our daily challenge, which is star. And we only have 2 hours left to complete, so we gotta do it quickly. Before our daily challenge, daily completion in a row fails. And that will be the end of the video because I don't have a lot of time. Yes, thank God. I think that's it of the challenge. So let's quickly open this, and we did not. Oh, 5,000. I'm gonna watch that. Be right back. Alright, so we got 10,000 coins from one chest. So yeah, that will be the end of today's video. I'm super sorry that this early video. Let me open more chests and stuff. We completed a challenge, which is good. That is gonna be my last chest, and that will be the end of the video. Please, it's looking good. Oh god. Yep. I hope you guys subscribe. If you guys are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.